Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Google Ads disapproval and suspension restoration case study where the account was suspended for circumventing system. Now, for those who don't know, we have been helping clients with Google Ads management and Google Ads disapprovals and suspension. There are various scenarios where your ads are being disapproved for compromised sites, circumventing system, or other issues. We provide help for that. Also, we help clients for those who get their Google Ads account suspended, even for circumventing system, unpaid balance, exiguous violation, or any other Google Ads issues. We are one of the prime companies. Primarily, we help clients with Google Ads management, but we also offer suspension disapproval services. And this is another case study for that. And I'm very helpful that the client gave us a very positive review, very motivating. So let's get started on this amazing case study on how the client got into the suspension and how we got it approved. So I'm going to show you the site. This is an approved website. You will see around over here. The website is a team making website. You can see around here providing services in various countries. You see these are their things over here. So you can see. Okay. So it's an AI coach that turns every chat into personalized feedbacks. Okay, so I'm going to show you the suspension first, and then I'm going to show you the approvals. So you can see around they provided, the account has been suspended for circumventing system violations over here. So I'm going to show you over here, your account has suspended for violating the circumventing system clocking policy. Suspended accounts cannot run ads in any location. So you can see now over here, and content that violates policies is blocked, and advertisers can be suspended for repeating or egregious violations, which I have told you. So this is a suspension error over here with circumventing system brackets clocking. Clocking isn't allowed under the circumventing system. Now the circumventing system is a very vague policy, and there can be many reasons why your account is being suspended for circumventing system. Sometimes although misrepresentation is a separate error what we see on the Google Ads, but if your products are doing misrepresentation, your account can also be suspended in circumventing system as well. So a circumventing system is probably deceiving, confusing, IP issues, other errors, proxy errors, VPN issues, wrong payments error. So it's a wide and big error, but we help clients with all of the issues over here. They suggested that the website is doing clocking. Now clocking is something, where clocking is another type of circumventing system. Why in usual circumventing system, what happens is you misguide people with your description. For instance, you make a wrong claim. Let's say if I say lose 5 kgs in 30 days, Google will not approve it. Google says that how you are claiming it, how you will be able to lose 5 kgs. Do you have any scientific evidence to prove your statement, or is it a generic marketing stunt? Google do not allow. Also, we have a various ways through which you can run those statements, but with the little changes and modifications, we have been working and we know how to make it work. I'm just letting you know that by general this is not allowed. But the clocking is something different. Clocking is what happens is when your robots, the Google crawler visit your website, they see a different website, and when the actual visitor visits that website or link, they see a different website. Now clocking is one of the toughest circumventing system error. Also, as I told you, circumventing system is whole itself is difficult, but this is another difficult thing we usually see. Okay, now with clocking, let me see around over here using appropriate click tracker. They said that Google showing a Google landing page on ad destination that complies with Google Ads policies while showing people different content. So as I told you, this sometimes pop up, tricking people into clicking on the ad by promoting a topic they're interested in, and then leading to them to a website for an entirely different topic is also called a circumventing system, sending users to a completely different website that violates Google Ads policies, even if you within the same domain, using click trackers, which is a tool that measures how many people click a link. So you can see around over here how many things were being done over here. Okay, so once we started doing, what we do is we do a thorough audit of all the website, search console, and add copy in the Google Ads account to find where the error is. Now we usually see 3 sides: the website, the search console, and the Google Ads account. So we looked on all of the aspects to see where the error is, where the things are. What we do is we look around for the privacy policy pages, small pages. We even look for the robots.txt file, anywhere the error has been found around. During this process, usually what we get is ample of discussions done with the team to get it approved. The client is also being worried because the client is losing the business, and every day is a huge loss for him or her, and we understand that, and which is why we try to do it as soon as possible. Also, we were able to get it restored this one quickly, but sometimes the client accounts can take a little while because sometimes it's a crawler error, sometimes an issue we had to discuss with the Google to find out where the error is. Although we have created our own checklist after solving hundreds of accounts to find out where the error is, but again, the Google system is so big that another day you can find another error, and so which is why sometimes it takes time, so you have to be ready and patient. I can understand that this may be a huge loss, but that is the only way. And after this, what happens is usually client gets converted on our monthly management, which is our prime service. So you can see around over here, the deadlinks are being found over here, and the website also has security issues, errors over here. And the website, you can see the potentially suspicious contact was detected. We also find out the files which were causing an issue. We suggested those pages to be sorted around, and even if you remove one thing, the whole theme can go into error. So which is why you also have a developer in our team as well. So you see, robots.txt file was also being sorted around. They had an issue, and the restrictions apply only to the last declared root instead of all crawlers. So the crawling error was also there, which was also being sorted. Apart from this, there was a link, which was leading to misleading content. We sorted around this. We provided that some SEO basic changes which were also being suggested for the process to prove. Some other small errors, things were being sorted. Some triggering rendering issue where we thought that the Google could be looking around. Then there were some search console errors as well. Sometimes there is a site speed issue, broken links. Theme has an issue. Sometimes the theme is a blacklisted. Sometimes your hosting can be a reason. The hosting, your IP address can be blacklisted, so that can be another reason as well. After this, we created a detailed appeal for the client to get it approved. We discussed, we provided them the whole thing, and after this we got disapproval for them. Update on your account suspension. Great news, your appeal was successful. Thanks for waiting while your account was reviewed. As long as there are no violations, your ad should resume within 24 hours. And the story doesn't end here because we got an amazing review from the client. So this is a review from them. So I'm going to make myself over here. Okay. So after 1 month of struggling with the Google Ads suspension for circumventing system, Cloaking, the AARSWEBS team did a great job. Thank you. Thanks to the whole team who did it. Diagnosing several potential issues, and finally the appeal went through successfully on the first try. I really appreciate the details and expertise they put into solving our problem. At first, I was skeptical because the website was a bit chaotic, and I was worried that it might be a scam. But I'm glad I gave them a chance and they helped solve my problem. No, we are not. Our website is good. For anyone who wants those services, just simply click on the link in the description and you will be landed over here. Also, we provide primarily management services. You can click on that as well. But let me show you the Google Ads distributable services which we provide. So once you click on the link in the description, you may see over here, we work with compromised sites, circumventing system, unreliable claim, misleading rep, malicious software, dishonest behavior, egregious violation, unacceptable business policy, consumer finance, personalized advertising, YouTube, counterfeit suspension. So you can see around over here there are so many errors, and apart from this we also help with other issues as well. And these are some of the case studies, and if some of the basic procedure fixed processes also being provided. For those who want to order, they can simply order over here for our services. And we also look around, we provide Google Ads account, Google Ads compromise sites, circumventing system, assignment errors, Google Ads visa approvals errors, error 3 or more errors if your website has, we have provide solution for that. We also have clients with YouTube Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspensions, if your Google Ads account is completely suspended, we help that as well. And we provide ultimate our Google Ads management services, which you can simply click over here, and once you land over here, these are our primary Google Ads management services which you can look around over here, which we provide. And you can offer any of the service through it. And even if your account is not suspended, you can get, or if it's suspended and once we restore you, we will provide you the free audit. And anyone who wants to get a free audit, simply click on the link for this as well. Both of the links are mentioned in the description of this video on how you can get our Google Ads disapproval and suspension service. And if you want a free audit for the Google Ads management service, you can opt for that as well through the link in the description. And these are our own plans. We are one of the pioneer Google Ads company. We help clients with fraud click prevention, Plus, we look for IP to IP behavior, comprehensive Google Ads setup, bid strategy, budget optimization, strong comparator analysis, and day-to-day ROI focused strategy, and day-to-day analysis, evaluation. And what we do is to create a WhatsApp group with all of the clients so that they can communicate with staff each and every time. So I hope you like this amazing Google Ads suspension case study, which was suspended for circumventing system policy along with clocking. And anyone who wants to get their Google Ads account restored, they can hire us. If anyone wants to get Google Ads management, Google business profile suspension management, Google Merchant Center suspension, or Google Merchant Center plus Google Ads management, or even if you need website creation service, we even provide that, because we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company. So in case if you need either of the services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward working with you. Take care. Bye bye.